Hi, Rupa here again. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you elements. What are the different types of elements we can use in Canva while you are designing any posters or flyers or whatever cards, anything. So elements is here you can see inside the Canva left side menu. This is the elements option. Elements is nothing but some part of designs, photos, shapes, graphics, or whatever you want to add in your design. That all you can search in elements. For suppose I want to draw a square. So in the elements, here you will be having search option. So click here and type square. Once you type this square keyword here, so I want to draw a square. So my keyword to search is here square. I'll use square here and then hit enter key on your keyboard. Now you will get various options to select your type of square. So here this is the shapes and this is the graphics and this is the photos and this is the frames, videos, audio. So many options it will show all under this elements option. So if you want to have a shape of square, then go and search under the shapes. If you want some kind of graphic, means like it is an image type graphic, you can search here. So I'll show you first under the shapes. So in the shapes here only if you select this one or rounded corner square or something like this square, you can choose here or else click on this option. This is see all option. When I click this see all option, what happens? It will show you the available shapes. So if I want this square, just click select over your mouse cursor, click on it. It will be added on your design. So whatever design is you have created the canvas, so it will be added here, the square. If you want rounded square, just click on it. It will be added on your design. Or if you want this kind of square, and just click, it will be added on your design like this, whichever type of square you want. Once you have placed the square, you can change the color, effect, everything. Let me select only this square for now. I want to change the color. So what I go here, once you click on the square, this is selected. Okay, now it is selected. You can see the anchor points here, selected anchor points, where you can increase or decrease the size of the square. Suppose here, the anchor point corner one I'll select and click on it, drag it towards down. So the square size will increase. Again, you can decrease like this. How much size, shape, if you want a light, this one shape or this shape, any shape, you can just make it happen like this. Okay. And then if you want to change the color, just here you can see a menu. Okay. So this is the square menu for this shape. So I'll go to menu. Here this is the color picking. So select this and go to your color palettes and choose the color whichever you want. Suppose these are the available colors. So if I place this color, color will be changed. If I select this color or this color or this color, whatever color you want, you can choose the colors from here. Okay. Or if you want a gradient color, means double shade colors also, you can pick it from here, the gradient colors. Okay, this is how we'll be applying the colors. So let me place this color for now. Okay, so now if you want a background color on this, you can change the background color. So I'll select the canvas and go to color background here, and I'll create one background color like any color you can choose or gradient you can choose, or something like lighter color also you can choose like this. Okay, let me choose this gray color, and this color I'll choose something dark. I'll show you one effect here. That's why I'm choosing some light gray and dark gray. So now I'll select this square and I'll go to edit option here. You can change the shape again. Suppose I will select circle. The same shape will change to circle, triangle, rhombus, hexagon, star, 4-star, 5-star. You can choose like this any shape here. Okay, this is how we can change the shape also. Now what happens is I'll make it double, means copy of the same square you can create. Either you can Control C and Control V, copy and paste, or only one key, Control D. If it is a Mac, Command plus D. If you select, the another star will be created like this. Okay, now what I'll place it this square little outside so that I can see, and I'll go to this and I'll choose the color. Any color you can choose. Now I'll place this here, little forward. So this is how we can see little shaded part, shadowy part. This is one option, and next option is under the graphics. This is the shapes. Now I'll search under the graphics. So what is there here? So go to see all. Now select any shape again here. So under the graphics, I'll select the same square again. You can see now. Now this square is like this, something like kind of this. Okay, now I'll go to edit option here, and then once I click on edit, I will see this kind of options, effects. Previously for the shape, if I click on edit, I can change the shape, right? But not effects, only shape can be changed. So this I can change the shape, okay, like this, and I'll make this back to our shape. So only shape can be changed, but not the effects. But when I select the kind of element, that is graphic element, now if I click on edit, I will get these options like studio, filters, effects, like that. Now, under the effects, we have an option shadows. Select this shadows. Now, shadow means something like outline we can create. So here none is there by default. No shadow is applied. Now I will apply shadow for this shape. Now you see the difference. First one I'll select. Let me create all the shadows for each effect. Control D. I'll apply. Let me copy so that I can show you all the options in one shape. Control D, edit. Now I'll go to effect, shadows. First one I'll apply glow. Glow means a glowing will be created on this. So by default, black is there. Size, if I increase, you can see the glow, how it will be. I'll increase the blur amount and I can see the difference. Okay, this is glowing option. And the color I have selected for the glow is black color. So it will show like a shadow color. If I change this to some other color like yellow or any other color picker, you can see the difference. It will show like a yellow light glowing like this. You can see now different, not here, but here. So you can create like this effect. Okay, suppose if I select the yellow or any blue color, something blue color will be shown here. Light blue I'll select. And I can see the difference. Sky blue I'll select. So it will show you like this. Okay. So this is glowing effect. And one more option is another option in this effects is drop shadow. Means one side shadow will be created. Drop shadow. Now you can see the difference here. This only this area shadow is there. Angular shadow. If I change, you can change the angle of this drop shadow. Go every time you have to come back here and scroll down here. You can see the angle. 62 degrees is there. If I change this to more, the angle will change. See, whenever I am changing the number, the angle is changing on the image. This is how the image will be, the shadow will be created. Okay, and distance, how much distance you want. You can increase the distance of the shadow, you can decrease the distance. Decrease distance, the more the shadow will be more appearing. And the color of the shadow can change here again. Color like white shadow or red shadow. You can choose the colors here, yellow shadow or anything. And intensity you can increase, you can decrease of the shadow. Okay. If it is black, it will be showing like this. Okay. The blur amount you can increase if you want more blur. Okay. You can try out any colors if you want to try any other colors also. You can try out like okay. See, I'll zoom it and you can see the difference here like this. It will show. And next option is I'll go to another shadow option. I'll go to again edit and again effect shadows outline option. This is the outline option where one outline will be created. Here also scroll down. You can increase the size. You can increase the intensity or decrease and color. Color, any color you can choose. Let me choose again yellow color so that it will look like this. Intensity you can increase or decrease, that is your choice. Here no blur option, only size and intensity will be applied. This is how it will look like. And again one more option, select this shape, go to edit, go to shadows and select curved option. Curved shadow. The shadow will be curved like this. Another option, edit, again edit page lift option. Again shadow, angled option. Again shadow, backdrop option. Again shadow, I'll select drop option, default settings. Here I'm selecting. So this is how various shadows you can create, lighting effect you can create, shadow colors you can change. Where we can use this kind of shadow options. If you have any want to create something like, let me show you that as an example. I'll type another element, square arrow shape. So what I'll do is I'll go to graphics only and I'll select one arrow. Okay, I'll select this arrow. Now this is looking like this. For this, I'll go to edit and then I'll go to shadows. I'll apply some lift. You can see the difference. Okay. Low, drop, any shadow apply. You can see the difference. It will show like a 3D effect. You can see any kind of shadows. You can place this when you're creating any carousel, something like that. Swipe option, you can show like this. Okay. This is one type of design. Also, you can create, suppose I'll select a square shape now. I'll select this square and I'll drag it little more like this and Control D. I'll reduce the size, or let me take some rectangle. It will be suitable. And I'll now two shapes are there. This is one and this is one. I'll go to position here, make it forward. Okay, now forward. Now I'll select this forward and can make it decrease also like. Okay, now both are mixed up. Here outline white is there. For this, I'll go to outline. I'll change this to white only, no color needed. So it will look like a paper with the border, right? Now you can, if you want, you can group them both, group it. Now it will become one shape. You will get here only option grouping, ungrouping, grouping, ungrouping. Okay, I'm grouping it. Okay, now if you want, you can add here any elements, like I'll add a pencil element. Let me choose one pencil, this one. Okay, like writing on the paper. See, okay, you can write like this and type some text. You can choose some text like this. And I'll place this text here. Change the color. Just I'm showing a design for you how it will look like. Okay, nicely. See how it will look like writing on a paper. For this pencil, I'll go to edit. I'll drop a shadow so that it will look more effective. And for this text also, you can go to effects and you can use, already there is a shadow. If you want, you can change the text like hello text or outline or whatever shadow option is there. So you can choose something shadow option for this. It will look like, make it zoom, adjust it properly like this. Okay, and here you can add something, images or any type of heading, welcome or something like this. I'll select this welcome or something like this. And what I'll do, I'll place this welcome here. Okay, thanks. And one more option. I'll show you one more effect in the elements. I'll search for paper fold. Just select paper fold here. You can see. Select some folding option. We will place it here in this corner. So folding must be in this corner. So like that you can choose one option here. Any. Let me choose. This one is good, I think. Color we cannot change because this is an image. Place it here like this. Okay, here we go. So here, little white I'm seeing, so I'm ungrouping and making it good. Okay, Now you can group entire things here, group it. Now everything became one, like this. Okay, this is the swiper option. This is one image you can say, this is fine. And again, go to new page and create your any content inside the carousel. This is how we can design creative designs, right? You should try your own design and let me know in the comments. You drop your template links or public view link so that I can share it. Okay, and you can also be more creative in this. I have showed you some sample only. You can be more creative, or you can add your own designs like just I want to add something like spring here. Type the keywords whatever you want to add. So the spring, or you can say spiral. Okay, spiral. So now you can see like this kind of spiral. Select this and rotate it like this and place it on the book here little like this. Zoom it and do, you will get nice designs. Okay, like this. If it is not sufficient, like this you will get, you can increase the size like little put inside. Okay, don't put more like this, not inside also little, you have to look like this, like a folder. Okay, and this, okay, decrease the size, make it fit proper. You can change the colors, anything. See now how it looks like a book only, right? So satisfying design. You can design your designs and show me your design, share your designs with me, and let others also see. If you place it in the comments, your link, how to share the link, simply go to share, and here you can see public view option, create public view, and then go to create public view, then copy link. So and you can just share the link like this, and if anyone clicks on your link, your design will be visible like this. Okay, here we go. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.